YouTube. Just had a parts delivery from Transporter HQ. Very excited. So let's open it up, see what we've got. Right, let's see what we've got. So that is something else. We'll look at that in a sec. But we have ordered some new rear light clusters. So these are LEDs. These have replaced the standard ones. They've got sequential LED indicators. I needed these because I've changed my headlights and they've obviously got LED DRLs and the sequential indicators and the side repeaters, so the rear lights at the minute are still the standard ones, so they look a bit daft. So that's the main reason why I've got myself a pair of these. These are just the standard red ones. They do them in a red smoke and a black or smoked or something like that. I wanted a bit more factory look with these. I didn't want them to look too I don't know, modified if you like, or customised. So it's mainly just the effect when they're lit up that I'm after, not what they look like you know, when we're just parked up in daytime. So we got, that is the side one, I think, and then after that is the driver's side one. So we've got two of them, which is excellent. So there'll be a fitting video coming on those, and then I've ordered something else, we'll just have a look at that. And then the other bit that I ordered, which was in that brown envelope, is I've ordered a new LED interior light and map light. So we'll be fitting these as well, so a bit of an upgrade, a bit more light in the carb as well, which will be excellent. So be fitting these in next, I don't know, I'll probably not have time this weekend, but over next week or two, and then yeah, we'll see how they go. But yeah, videos to come on these products. Please subscribe if you want to see them, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.